Hi guys, in this video I am going to share an information about top richest YouTubers of India. The facts shared in this video depends on various factors such as views, engagement, ad revenue, brand partnerships, sponsorships, and other sources of income. Here are 10 popular YouTubers from India who were reported to have some of the highest yearly incomes. Number 10. G.K. Ranjit. G.K. Ranjit, whose real name is Ranjit Kumar, is a popular Indian YouTuber known for his technology reviews, gadget unboxings, and informative tech-related content. With a focus on smartphones, laptops, and other consumer electronics, Ranjit Kumar has gained a significant following on his YouTube channel. His expertise in the field and his ability to explain complex technical details in a simplified manner have made him a trusted source for tech enthusiasts. G.K. Ranjit has an estimated net worth of $558,000. Number 9. Sandeep Maheshwari. Sandeep Maheshwari is a renowned motivational speaker, entrepreneur, and one of the most influential personalities in India. Born on September 28, 1980 in New Delhi, Sandeep Maheshwari has touched the lives of millions through his inspiring talks and seminars. Sandeep Maheshwari is known for his unique approach to motivation and self-improvement. Through his YouTube channel and various public speaking engagements, his videos have inspired millions to believe in themselves, chase their dreams, and lead a purposeful life. He has an estimated net worth of $4 million. Number 8. Carrie Minotti. Carrie Minotti, whose real name is AJ Nagar, is a popular Indian YouTuber known for his comedic and roasting content. Born on June 12, 1999 in Faridabad, Haryana, AJ Nagar gained immense popularity through his YouTube channel. Carrie Minotti's videos typically feature him offering humorous commentary and satirical takes on various subjects, including online trends, viral videos, and social media influencers. His energetic and witty style of content has resonated with millions of viewers, making him one of the most well-known YouTubers in India. He has an estimated net worth of $4 million. Number 7. Bouvan Bomb. Bouvan Bomb is an Indian comedian, singer, songwriter, and YouTube personality. He gained massive popularity for his YouTube channel called BB Vines, where he portrays multiple characters and creates humorous sketches and monologues. Bouvan Bomb started his YouTube journey in 2015 and quickly gained a massive following due to his unique style of comedy and relatable content. Bouvan Bomb's ability to portray different characters with distinct accents and personalities has been a key factor in his success. He has an estimated net worth of $4 million. Number 6. Sanam Puri. Sanam, led by Sanam Puri, is a popular Indian music band known for their soulful renditions of classic and contemporary songs. Sanam Puri, the lead vocalist of the band, has garnered a significant following with his melodious voice and charismatic presence. Sanam's YouTube channel features their music videos, covers, and original compositions. Sanam's renditions and original compositions have resonated with millions of fans who appreciate their talent and dedication to creating beautiful music. Sanam Puri's vocal abilities and the band's collective artistry have solidified their place in the Indian music industry, making them a beloved group among music enthusiasts. He has an estimated net worth of $5 million. Number 5. Ashish Chanchallani. Ashish Chanchallani is an Indian comedian, actor, and popular YouTube personality. He gained widespread fame through his YouTube channel named Ashish Chanchallani Vines, where he creates humorous sketches, parodies, and vlogs. Ashish Chanchallani began his YouTube journey in 2009, but it was in 2014 that he gained significant recognition for his comedic content. His videos often feature relatable and funny scenarios from everyday life, showcasing his comedic timing, energetic performances, and knack for storytelling. He has an estimated net worth of $5 million. Number 4. Nisha Madhulika. Nisha Madhulika is a renowned Indian YouTuber and chef known for her culinary expertise and cooking tutorials. With a passion for food and a desire to share her recipes, Nisha Madhulika has gained immense popularity on her YouTube channel. Nisha Madhulika's videos showcase a wide variety of recipes ranging from traditional Indian dishes to international cuisines. Her step-by-step cooking demonstrations, along with clear instructions and helpful tips, make it easy for viewers to recreate her delicious recipes in their own kitchens. Nisha Madhulika's channel appeals to both seasoned cooks and beginners looking to explore the world of cooking. Her recipes have inspired countless individuals to explore their culinary skills and try new dishes. He has an estimated net worth of $5.56 million US. Number 3. Ahmed Badana. Ahmed Badana is an Indian YouTuber, comedian, and social media influencer who has garnered immense popularity and a massive fan following for his entertaining and humorous content. Born on September 7, 1991, in Yoripur, Delhi, Ahmed rose to fame through his YouTube channel, which goes by his name. From a young age, Ahmed had a passion for entertaining people and making them laugh. With a desire to pursue his dreams and share his talent with the world, he decided to create his YouTube channel in 2012. Initially, his videos received moderate views, but it was in 2017 when one of his videos titled Richest, a love story, went viral, catapulting him to overnight success. The video garnered millions of views and became the turning point in Ahmed's career. He has an estimated net worth of $6.5 million US. Number 2. Tanmay Bot. Tanmay Bot is a well-known Indian comedian, YouTuber, and co-founder of the popular comedy collective All India Bakchad, AIB. Born on June 23, 1987 in Mumbai, India, Tanmay Bot gained significant recognition for his comedic talent and witty content. He gained popularity through his YouTube channel and live performances, where he showcased his unique sense of humor and ability to connect with the audience. His ability to blend humor with social commentary has made him a prominent figure in the Indian comedy scene. He has an estimated net worth of $8 million US. Number 1. Technical Guruji. Technical Guruji, whose real name is Gaurav Chowdhury, is a prominent Indian YouTuber known for his tech-related content. With over 24 million subscribers, he has established himself as one of the most influential tech YouTubers in India. Gaurav Chowdhury, hailing from Ajmer, Rajasthan, is an electronics engineer and holds a master's degree in microelectronics from BITS Pilani. He provides reviews of the latest smartphones, gadgets, and consumer electronics, along with unboxing videos, tutorials, and tech news updates. Gaurav Chowdhury's ability to explain complex technical concepts in a simple and engaging manner has garnered him a loyal following. He has an estimated net worth of $45 million US.
Bye bye, Tata, goodbye, gaya.
अरे डायरेक्टर साहब कुछ तो बोलिए। Backup.